But Thinking Focus, we work with large multinational organisations to help them improve performance. We believe that most teams and organisations underperform, not because they mean to or because they want to, but because they can't get out of their own way. So we help them to adjust their thinking, become more aware of themselves so they can achieve more. The game came out of a challenge from one of our clients who said, I love what you do, but I need you to do it with an audience that the traditional way we deliver doesn't work for.
I was introduced to both Paul and Ricky from Thinking Focus by one of our associate partners, Susan Banfield, and it was quite obvious within a few minutes of talking to the guys that we had something really special that we could do something with.
The reason we brought into the MTC was two things. One was that they got the concept. They understood it, they liked it, they enthused about it. But actually, the bigger difference was they then started adding to the concept. They wanted to work with us and challenge us and really develop something that would create that wow moment. And that sold us on the MTC.
We brought in some engineers, some product designers to help expand on their ideas in order to help make a better prototype.
Some parts of the game they've actually manufactured for us, but not just manufactured, they actually helped us design them. So they've worked with us to create components that actually work and consider issues we'd not thought about, like how to make components that last. For other parts of the game, they've found us the manufacturers who can make those components. So altogether we've been able to produce a complete product with the help of the MTC.
It's a collaborative partnership with us. It's not just us producing a piece of component for them to go and take and we leave them to it. We actually become part of the Thinking Focus family.
How did it feel seeing the game come to life is a really interesting question, because it went through two phases. There was a phase where it felt terrifying, because there's a phase where you start to go, what are we doing? We are making a product. But at the end, when you see all the components in the box for the first time ever, it's the most amazing feeling.
It's been very enjoyable to be at that initial meeting with both Paul and Ricky, and now here to be at the marketing shoot looking at the final product. So hopefully we've shared the whole journey with Thinking Focus, and the relationship will build from there.
We now have the bones of a very exciting product in our business. We've got people asking for us in different languages. We're already considering the next version of card sets for the game. I think we're going to go on and on with this business. The MTC have not only enabled us to build the game, but they challenged our thinking at each step. So the product we've ended up with is a lot better than the one we originally envisaged.
I think the game, in its simplicity, is very clever. It's easy to use, it's time efficient, it's incredibly good value. People aren't sitting there and not joining in. It might take the facilitator time to bring them in, but they're not sitting there being present but not mentally. It is certainly bringing a change, a positive change is on how we develop them and also what they take back into their workplace, their actual workplace.
We've been able to create a product in months, which would have probably taken us a year. We were able to take that to market very quickly, a quality that a business of ours wouldn't normally expect to be able to do. That's leading to more sales and driving more revenue for our business.
I'm very keen to see this a great success for Thinking Focus.
One of the things that's really exceptional about the MTC, and most of the customers that come there will say this sooner or later, is that they haven't found anywhere else like it. And that to me really is what gets me out of bed in the morning.